Here's the app Dating Safety Tools that Protect Women. So this is the app which you can get on App Store on Android to read dating reviews on men, run background checks for the guys, reverse image search, identify potential catfishes, verify he's not an offender, check for criminal history. So this is a new growing app. It's trending in charts in US. It already has a lot of users. So here, as you can see, it's a number 7 in lifestyle already in the US App Store. And yeah, 20,000 ratings, 4.8 average rating. So pretty cool idea, I would say. And then, so you just need to basically, I don't know, it doesn't work. But there is a wait list for this app. I don't know how to get on this app. Is there an invite code or something in that area? But seems, it's not that easy to get there. So at the moment, this is just what you have and this is where it is. I don't have access. If you have access, feel free to comment it in the comments. Also hit me up. I also want to get on this app. But try it out.